Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to answer this particular question, whom this course is intended for. So based on my analysis, there are three types of people who might be interested in this course. And those three types of people are also my main target students for this course. So let's talk about the first one here, copywriting specialists. Individuals who are already working in the field of copywriting who want to stay up to date with their latest trends and tools in the industry, including AI-powered solutions. Or maybe you are new to copywriting. You want to learn more about copywriting but you have no idea where to start. Or perhaps you're interested in utilizing AI to automate your copywriting works. So if you're one of those people, this is definitely the right course for you guys. This is the right place for you to be. Because guess what? We're going to learn step by step on how to utilize AI to automate copywriting. We're going to learn how to outsource your copywriting works to AI. So you're going to gain a lot of valuable skills and knowledge from this course, guys. All right. Okay, so that's the first type of people, copywriting specialists. Let's talk about the second one here, business owners. So maybe you're a small business owners or a startup founders who want to understand how AI can enhance advertising efforts and reach a wider audience. Okay, so for example, you're selling products or maybe you're selling service, you're an agency, you want to reach a broader audience. And obviously, to accomplish that goal, you need to have a high quality ad copy, right? You need to attract your potential customers or your potential clients' attentions by having high quality ad copy. And that's what you're going to learn in this course. That's what exactly you're going to get in this course, guys. So yeah, regardless of what products that you're selling, maybe it's a digital product or a physical product, or maybe you're not selling product, maybe you're offering your service, or whatever business that you run, this copywriting course is going to help you a lot, especially when it comes to creating your own ad copy and attracting customers, which will translate into increasing your sales, right? Okay, so that's the second type. Let's talk about the last one here, freelancers. So people who are looking to expand their skill set and offer AI integrated copywriting services to clients. So maybe you're freelancers on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or maybe you're on your own. You're trying to find clients on Facebook, for example. This is a high demand skill set that you really need to learn, guys. And trust me, it's going to be very worth it at the end. Because there are like more and more companies, there are more and more businesses selling their products online, and they need people like you to create a high quality ad copy to attract more customers, to increase their sales, and also to increase their brand awareness and potentially reach more audience, right? So you guys, if you're a freelancer, maybe you're considering to do a freelancing work on Fiverr or Upwork, this is also the right course for you guys, because it's going to teach you a very valuable and high demand skill set in today's market. Alright, so yeah, I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.